Full moon in Leo. Celebrating the full moon in Leo. The full moon energy is available 3 days before and 3 days after the actual full moon is occurring. This Leo moon energy brings us the opportunity to open our hearts and tune into our authentic self. And by this, the possibility is given to eventually find the true mission which to fulfill we came here. To discover our mission, it is helpful to be in the clarity of our core essence, which we can experience by paying attention to our breath, and then feeling the spark within our chest. Breathing in deeply, and breathing out powerful, and perceiving the moment while our focus lays within our chest. We can detect our spark, our miracle, our essence, when we are deeply and consciously looking into our own eyes through the mirror. Another wonderful way to perceive oneself is through the eyes of someone who is very close and dear. In this intimate and pure connection, while deeply and open-hearted looking into each other's eyes, we can see ourselves through the eyes of someone else. This happens beyond any attributes and values, like good, bad, ugly, beautiful. It happens in the field of love, pure love. You don't need to be in a romantic relationship for this, or to experience this. To survive in this matrix, we've had to build many layers around us and adapt emotions and feelings to fit into a complex rule system to be part of this estranged society. Practicing self-love is essential and very important in these alarming times. In terms of self-love, self-realization, and being in love with myself, it helps me to go into nature and standing close to a tree, maybe even hugging this tree, feeling connected to this tree. I start perceiving my breath and feel as natural as the tree is in this very moment. Going deeper, feeling deeper within my body, within my heart, and discovering the warmth and the light within me, being so connected. Realizing this is me, realizing I am love. I exist because of love, because of the unconditional love of Mother Earth, who's nourishing me day by day. Now I know I am not the ugly words I've said, nor the stupid things I've done, nor the horrible feelings I felt. All this has happened when I was not in tune with my true authentic self. If I go now a little further, I can ask myself, what made me get out of tune? What made me step away from my true authentic self? Now I understand it was the fear I've had to not be accepted, to not be enough, the fear of the consequences when not obeying the rules, the fear of not being loved. And now I know the only way to release the fear is to love. I am love. Thank you.